Good morning, fishing people. It's Brian with Be Little Fishing. Snuck out to do a little early morning fishing at a local pond and just came out to, fish for 30-40 minutes this morning and just have a good time. Though the fall transition, winter quickly approaching, water temps are dropping. It's only about 45 degrees outside right now. See what we can do to get the bass to bite this morning. We're going to bring you along. This morning we're throwing a Terminator jig that is blue with a little bit of black mixed in. Got a Creature trailer. I don't remember which one that is. It's one that I got in a bulk pack from Mystery Tackle Box. I really don't remember the brand. Got a big paddle tail on it though. I'm gonna throw this around and see if we can't get something to hit it out here. It's pretty cold out, so I think the fish are going to be pretty lethargic. As was that cast. There he is. He was waiting for the blue jig. All right. It's a good good catch. Starting to get a little bit of fat there. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch off the jig. All right, this is a new color, Mondo worm in plum. I'm gonna try that guy out. I'm gonna try one last cast. And I'm going to slow roll this thing in instead of twitching and jerking. Ultra slow. There's a small guy right there. Either a small bass or a sunfish. All right, one more last cast. See if we can't figure out what that was. Get him to come back and bite again. Maybe actually take the worm. To sunfish, it's not going to happen. It's too big. But a smaller bass, he's aggressive enough. Might get it. There it goes again. Tap. Tap. Taking it. Wants to eat it. Can't figure out what to do with it. Got it. It wasn't a small bass. It was a decent sized bass. He was just playing with it. He was just not sure what to think about the plum Mondo. He's not used to seeing that color worm before. Great colors on that guy. Starting to fatten up a little bit. Let's get him back in the water. Well, fishy people, it was a great morning. I think if everybody could get out and catch a couple of nice bass first thing Monday morning, the world just might be a better place. Had a great time fishing, caught those bass on a jig, the new 10-inch Mondo worm in plum, which seems to be the deal this morning. Just overall great time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll know every time we drop a new video. If you want to see any of the gear that I use on a day-to-day basis, I'm going to have links for that in the description below. Check that out. Any purchases you make through those links, whether it's for that gear or you're looking at something else on Amazon, any purchase helps the channel out just a little bit, so I really appreciate that. Hope you have a great day.